What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, man, and I'm tuning in on the phone because, like I said, the camera keep fogging up, man. It's just too humid and all that. The camera being a good cool air atmosphere and all that. But y'all see what we got going on today. Yes, indeed. Tires came in super early. These joker came in 2 days, man. They supposed to came that week, so this was a real pleasant surprise, man. FedEx the GOAT. And the shipper is the GOAT too, man. So they came in early, brand new tire, man. We got one of the wheels. Y'all know I've been had one. My bro CJ got the other three, man. Shout out to One Stop Wheel, Tires, and More. The numbers on the screen, man. My second set of wheels I bought. Well, first set of wheel I bought an individual wheel from, but y'all know you have to go back and look at all that video stuff. Bought tire from him. I always shop with my people, man. So y'all hit him up. He can get what you need, any wheel, any brand, any tire. Be the truth, man. So we're finna take this thing over there, get mounted up for Meech, man. I told people I've been making moves, man. I've been making moves, man. And I said I spent the bag on Meech. So we finna hit this road and get it in.
Jmalcom in his bitch, captain of the squad, leader of the team. Y'all ain't gotta worry, everything on me. Money coming left and right like a drummer song. Somebody hit the light switch, stay to turn me on. All I do is big, everything on me. Yes, I am the shit, everything on me. Throw it in the air, everything on me.
Alright, y'all see it. Found CJ getting the right. Got one right there. I ain't put the number on the screen. Y'all see the number again, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit my fam up. Get you right. Good, y'all. Alright, y'all see it, man. We're taking it in. So, got all four mounted. CJ finna put that master balance on that thing.
Cadillac.
Oh yeah, it does real now. Cause boy, y'all know balance R&B and stuff, man. That's over there though. She don't do nothing. She don't do nothing. So we got these ready for Meech. Like I said, y'all lucky now. I was gonna the Hangout, BCG Hangout, already seen the stuff earlier. But I was gonna make y'all wait. But I said, I got show fans some love, man. Y'all hit them up for real, cause y'all know anytime I get wheels, tires and stuff, y'all know where I'm coming, man. Y'all seen on the vlog. I'm putting them on screen. Hit them up. He will get you right. Any brand will, man. At good pricing and stuff. But it's crazy at the same time, like we just talking about, man, wheels have went up. Wheels have went up a lot, like all of them. But y'all gotta expect that, cause everything went up. Like every product you buy done went up at this point. like I hit folks up, I don't even be expecting here the same price and stuff, 'cause I already know. If one person don't go up, somebody gonna get left out. Somebody gonna get left out, man. So one go up, everybody gotta go up. This is how it works. This is the cost of business. But yep, got it rolling. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. I'm finna throw this one on the truck and we'll check back in. All right, back. Shoes all here. Looking good. Waiting for Meech. I'm gonna get these things on the car, man. And I'm gonna tell you, my plan is to go ahead and try to fix this today too. Put that ball joint boot on and then bleed the front brakes, cause they wouldn't need bleeding. I lost a lot of brake fluid if the rain hold off. But we got to go run and handle some business right quick. Then I come back, I'm gonna jack this joker up and take the tire off over there. Try to get that boot on right quick, man. It really shouldn't take long, cause we just hand tighten the thing, put the jack under there, lower the A on, and slide the boot on there. Just that simple. Jack it back up. So y'all just stay tuned and turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, so we back, man. I didn't get a chance to get this done, cause like I said, we ran a little too long doing what we're doing. But you know, I told y'all I've been busy, man. I really been busy the last 2 weeks, non-stop, man. Like just busy, man. That's all I can say. So I gotta come over here and tend to this side, and that's my plan for tomorrow. Cause tomorrow, man, I ain't got nowhere to go. I done got all the business handled that I got to get handled finally. So I ain't got nowhere to go. I can come out here. Well, me and wife got to work out, man. We work out every day. Well, not every day, y'all know, almost every day through the week. But took my stomach out. But I got to come. I'm gonna come out here tomorrow. Jack the front of the car up. Take that off, drop that little A on, and then put that ball joint boot on there. But y'all see, the main task of the day that we got done is I got them shoes ready for Big Meech. That's the main task, man. I told people I've been busting power moves. I've been busting power moves, man. So I got that done, man. That was the whole main goal of today, was to get that done, man. Like, and we did. Like, we got it done, man. We got some nice shoes, some nice feet for Meech. Maybe people might have missed that video where I tried one of the wheels on. Like I said, if you know the backstory on it, then you know why I'm going 24 and stuff, which that was my plan anyway, but it's crazy how it worked out. But you gotta go back and look at them old videos and stuff, cause I had one rim at first, but the reason why I had one rim was dealing with R&B. So, shout out to my boy CJ, man. One Stop Wheel Ties and More. Shout out to CJ, huge shout out to CJ, man. That fam, man. He like fam and stuff, and he always take care of me, take good care of me, man. He got the rims in a timely manner. We got the tires, man. We got everything mounted up and all of that. So I'm geek. I'm geek, man. I said honestly, I didn't want to put them on right now because of the hood. Like, the car need paint and stuff, but I mean, I really don't care, man. But I don't like the hood. I hate the hood, man. But I got to have a cowl hood on the car. Like, I really got to have one, cause when you put a big block in that car, it sit up so high, well, depending on the intake you got, it sit up so high, the hood will smother the carburetor. I had that problem last time when I had the big block in Meech, all them years ago. It's been over 12 years ago. When I had the big block, I had to end up going to a cowl hood because of that reason, man. My car running crazy. But it was because it wasn't enough airflow and clearance getting to the carburetor, because the hood was down there on top of it and it was smothering it. So the car has to have a hood scoop, man, or you got to cut the hood out. That's just how it is. So at this point, I'm gonna have to have one made no matter what, man. It's gonna have to have a cowl hood. Like, they just point blank period. It gotta have a cowl hood. So when Meech come, man, I'm probably gonna go ahead and mount it up. I probably will just go ahead and mount it up, man. Even though I don't like the hood, I really don't. I don't like the hood, but for right now, until I find the hood and then have one made, like have somebody do it that's A1 where it ain't gonna crack, cause a certain way you can mold them cowl hoods on there. And I want mine made the right way. That's why I don't like the hood. is because somebody just took the scoop and riveted onto a regular hood. That ain't how you do it. And it's not the right size scoop for that car. It's not the right size cowl, man. Now, if you go back to my old video, the hood I had was primed down and it was done the right way. The cowl started from the front of the tip of the hood and it came all the way up. Not just starting from the middle and then climbing. Like a cowl don't supposed to be done like that. But if you saw my old video, I had the right hood, but whoever had molded it, it was so heavy. So that probably when the car was transitioning through hands, that probably why they took it out, cause it was heavy. It was super heavy. They probably want to get rid of some weight, but then realized like, hey, a flat hood ain't gonna work. This car got to have a cowl hood with a big block in it. A small block, nah, small block you can get by. It don't have to have a cowl hood. But a big block, it got to have a cowl hood, cause it just sit up higher and it will touch. So I got to get that situated, man, but I probably will mount it up and stuff just so I can get a visual on how it looks, and then I can ride and see how it rides. I'm telling y'all, man, you don't have to have the new game. People think if you got a big car, you got to have 26s. It don't look right, isn't it? Man, before they had 26s, people were riding 4s and they like, hey, that joker clean. And then rim size start stepping up, so people start, hey, I got to have this, I got to have that. It looks better if you ain't gonna sit your car on the ground. It look better with a car that feels the fender well. But watch with the right, I got the right side tire on there. Watch how this gonna look, man, cause I told y'all from the jump, Meech wasn't gonna be no squat and stuff. Meech is just trained to go. It ain't no squatting and all that. That look good, but it ain't the best when you trying to perform, man. I want my cars to look good and perform, and a car can look good if it's sitting level 2. It ain't got to have squat. That's the new stuff that came around. If a car sitting level, it can look good too, man. They're gonna perform. So I'm gonna sit this joker down on these 4s, and I like being different, cause everybody think when you get a box Chevy you got to have 6s or better. Nah, I like going against what everybody say. So I'm gonna put these 4s on here. I'm gonna ride. I'm gonna be clean. I'm gonna enjoy my car, and I'm gonna make hella power. I promise you, I'm gonna make hella power. So man, all in all, it was a good day. It was a good productive day, man. Had the family with me. They come with me everywhere, and wifey definitely come with. Wifey would be with me everywhere. Wifey be with me everywhere, man. She been road running with me. I got to shout out to her, cause she been road running with me, man. Especially all these summit trips and stuff. Like, we've been rolling for 2 weeks straight. She been right there with me every time. So kids they been wanting to chill sometime, but wifey been right there with me every time. I've been in the midst of fooling with the pool too, man. I still got to drop that video. I finally got it ready. I got to drop that install video, man, where I set that joker up, man. I got to put that up. I got to finish editing it, but we got it ready, man. You know, gonna enjoy friends and family stuff with pool and stuff, man. Enjoy the year and all that. But we rolling, man. We rolling. I'm telling y'all, I told y'all I got surprises for Meech and stuff. That's what it was, man. That's what it was. That's what the surprise was for Meech, man. I got some 4s already ready, man. We finna drop, ready to go. So all in all, it was a good day, man. It was a good day. I'm gonna get on this joker tomorrow if the rain holds out again. The good Lord gave us some sunshine today, cause it rained throughout the night and then rained daytime. So I'm gonna get on this joker, fix it so it can be back operational and driving, and then I'm gonna get the fan straightened out, get the fan wired up, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the steering wheel. I'll probably go ahead and order the steering wheel now, actually. Gonna change the steering wheel, tighten it up. And next month, we'll probably move over to the suspension, addressing the suspension, the car loads and stuff. I'm just taking my time with this car, man, because Meech my priority. I know I just bought this. I ain't drove it. Y'all ain't seen the road test or nothing. I ain't drove it, but we're going to get to it. Like I said, it's in the fleet. We're going to get to it. But, and then, brown coat still like new to me, because we got the tram brake. I got to do the 60-14 on it. So we got a lot coming, and we still got the exhaust remix coming on R&B, which she up next, cause she the closest to being finished. That'll finish her up. The exhaust remix, bigger exhaust, bigger headers, that'll finish her up. And then I just do the brakes. That stuff's so simple. The brakes simple. I upgrade the brakes, man, to the Wildwoods, and J Hall gonna fix the little beauty mod. She'll be done. So she simple. She up next to go to Lawless to get the exhaust done. Dolo got the all aluminum exhaust coming, and Meech gonna have all aluminum exhaust coming too, but it take a minute to get that stuff in. So yeah, man. So we got this one going to Lawless first, cause they're in and out. That's all done, and then it's between these two, cause they gotta do 60-14 tran brake and nitrous on it. I'm gonna do brown coat. I know they're new, but brown coat been patient. He been patient. He's supposed to been had nitrous on. So after they get done with this, I'm taking this one, get nitrous, trans brake, and the 60-14 called the 2-step and all that. Got to tie into the tran brake. That's why I keep saying that. And then we'll go this one last. Let them do the fans. Put the relay on that fuel pump, which is good to have fuel or relay on the fuel pump anyway, and all of that. And I'm finna get wifey car repainted. I told y'all I'm doing it this year. Even though we just got it painted, I'm gonna get it repainted. It's chipping in some spots and stuff. Wife had just pointed out, so I'm gonna get repainted. I'm gonna put that J Hall lick on it. Actually gonna do her first. I'm gonna get hers done first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get Black Haven painted. So I probably have them two done this year. And Dolo, I got something planned for Dolo and Meech. On the bed for Meech. If y'all ain't figured out, man, the OG people know, or the people that been watching me before I started vlogging, people know what my favorite car. Ain't nobody ain't gotta ask or get. People know what's my favorite car. And if this bill ain't showed people what my favorite car, I don't know what it is. Look, I bought some shoes for Meech, ASAP Rocky. I bought all that junk at the same time. I bought shoes for Meech, ASAP Rocky. Everybody else had to wait. Everybody else had to wait. Look how long R&B waited. And like I said, it's just cause I wasn't studying. Look how long I waited on Dolo. Everybody else had to wait. Not Meech. Meech got his right then, ASAP Rocky. When Meech started getting built, he got his shoes. Well, yo, man, all in all, that's it, man. Once again, shout out to my fam, CJ. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.